When I think about patient experience, I think about what I would want in my time of need and care. So when I walk into the hospital doors, I want to know exactly what's going to happen each step along the way. What are they testing for? What's the next steps? And how do I truly get better with my care?
To me, patient experience means empowering the patient by keeping them informed of their care status and what will come next.
When you're in a healthcare setting, it's often hard to know what's going to come next. It's yourself or it's one of your loved ones. It's still super important to understand what's going on. And every member of our product and delivery team here at Vital puts themselves in those shoes when they're thinking of like, how can we make this better?
From the time a patient arrives up until the moment that they leave, they feel informed about what to expect during and after their visit.
Navigating our healthcare system is a little bit difficult for most people and very difficult for a lot of people. And so anything that anyone can do to bring a sense of safety and calm and understanding to that experience is what we should be striving for.
When you do that and you have a institutional ethos of providing that sort of compassionate care, every patient will get what they need with regard to their interaction with their doctors and their nurses and the people in the hospital. And when you provide excellent patient care, patients will return to your facility and they will offer you leniency when there are delays. And it's through those relationships that you build trust.
All of these elements and so many more must be intentionally developed with an empathetic eye on the patient, a real appreciation for what that patient is likely going through at that moment in time.
The patient experience to me means how to best deal with patient care, and I like to think of it as patient-centered care.
As a nurse, patient experience is all about the patient and the family unit that takes care of patients. And I want to thank everyone out there that is touched or has been part of the patient experience for all patients that seek care. Thank you all. We appreciate you. We see you, and we look forward to all the amazing things that you are going to do for the future of patient care.
My daughter actually has a pretty severe food allergy, and it's a very scary thing to go through as a parent when your child is sick. I feel very helpless. And I remember taking my daughter to the emergency room, and there were some of the small things that made a world of difference in that experience.
I have a brother with pretty severe cerebral palsy, and growing up, we spent a lot of time as a family in hospitals and different healthcare settings. And to me, the best experience was the most transparent experience that I was able to receive as a brother and that my parents and the rest of my family were able to receive. So to me, patient experience means making sure that family has access to information about the care that their family members and loved ones are receiving.
Patient experience, I think, is often confused with patient satisfaction. I think patient satisfaction is actually a result of the patient experience. When we can make a difference in the way the person feels in the moment through communication, that is where the impact of patient experience lies for me.
It means putting the patient at the center of care delivery decisions, reducing the anxiety of the unknown, setting expectations of communicating in a timely, effective, relevant manner, creating a better understanding for the patient so they can be empowered to be involved in their care.
To me, patient experience is going beyond providing care, and it's allowing patients to know that they are understood, valued, and supported throughout their healthcare journey.
To me, patient experience is the heart of the health system. The comfort you all provide to patients and families is absolutely immeasurable, and our ability to work with you to help further enable your ability to do what you do best is one of the reasons I smile at the start of my day every day. Thank you for your dedication to your patients and our partnership alike. We know your work may not be seen every step of the way, but know without a doubt it sure is felt by everyone it impacts. And that's what patient experience means to me.
And that's what patient experience means to me.
And that's what patient experience means to me.
And that's what patient experience means to me.